Oh my God. What is up, my shred heads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing the first ride and review of the Varla Eagle One Pro. Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter. Use code SHREDDY, save $50 off your order. If Varla or no scooter over there is for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. We're gonna start this video off with a short little overview. Then after that, we're gonna go full throttle, dual motor to see what the top speed of this bad boy is. We'll also go through all the different pedal assist levels with single and dual motor to see what different speeds we can get on it. The Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter is equipped with super powerful dual 1000 watt motors. And right under this big beefy foot pad, there's a 27 amp hour, 60 volt battery. So that's some power. The Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter retails for $2,099, but if you guys use code SHREDDY, you'll save $50 off that order. They claim about 45 miles per charge, but we're gonna see about that. It does come with one 2 amp charger, but it does come with 2 ports, so you can purchase another charger and fast charge. If you do charge with one charger, it's about 13 to 14 hours to completely charge it. But if you get the 2 chargers, it's about 6 to 7 hours. So I think it's a better idea to grab the 2 chargers when you purchase this scooter. They have a max load of 330 pounds. It can climb up to 35-degree angles. We'll definitely see about that later on. They claim a max speed of 45 miles an hour. We're definitely testing that out first. These are dual 1000 watt motors, but they do peak at 1300 watts with 36 Newton meters of torque. What I love about the scooter is that it does come with dual hydraulic brakes, front and rear. They're Zoom brakes. I don't know, I've never heard of that brand before, but they do work pretty well, and it does have regen braking on it. And just like the original Varla Eagle One electric scooter, this does have the independent suspension front and rear. It also has a super bright 10 watt front light and an integrated taillight that blinks when you apply the brakes. All right guys, so this is a first. I've never had anything where I had to start it with an NFC card, but we'll show you how that works. I'm sure you can get into the display and actually turn that off where you don't need that key. And it's actually super simple to fold down the stem. There's this little locking pin right here. You pull that out, unscrew it right there, and boom, you're ready to go, just like that. And this is a first. It's also equipped with 11-inch tubeless tires. So this is the first scooter I've ever had that has tubeless tires, so it's gonna be pretty easy to patch. And I'm also gonna be putting armadillos in both tires, front and rear. It also comes with a front and rear fender. And we also have this awesome little thumb throttle. I've never had this before on any scooter or e-bike, but this thing is super smooth. I dig it so far. You got your controls up here, your pedal assist up and down. You can also get into the display settings by hitting the plus and minus buttons. Your instruction manuals will have all the settings for you. All right, so you hold the power button, and there's like a little NFC thing flashing. So you grab your little NFC key, tap right there, and you're on. That little icon on the display, it's telling me that we are in dual motor right now. Now that we're done with that overview, let's get started on the speed test. That's what I'm really excited about. We're gonna start off in pedal assist 3, dual motor, top speed. We're gonna see how fast we can get this bad boy. So let's get on the streets. All right guys, we're on the streets. I'm a little bit shook. There's a lot of cars out right now, but let's hold the plus button, get into dual motor. Let's see our voltage. 67.2 volts, so we're pretty much at a full charge. And here we go, full speed test. I'm scared guys, full speed test. Dual motors. Holy crap, this is fast guys. Oh my God, we're going 33, 34. Holy shit, this is scary guys. 37. Oh my God, guys. Oh, there's a lot of wind coming towards me. We're gonna hit 38 miles an hour. I don't think we're gonna see 45 on this scooter. I just wanted to test it out at a full charge, but guys, this still feels pretty crazy. Yeah. my goodness. Woo, let's feel that regen. Ah, nice and light, nice and light. Holy crap, guys. We hit 38.6 miles an hour on that run. Holy crap, and now we're down to 65.5 volts. Guys, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about that speed test. That was scary and fast. Look at all these cars behind me. We're gonna go dual motor, pedal assist 2, top speed. My guess is gonna be like 30 or something. Oh my God, that freaking takeoff torque is insane. You gotta lean forward. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just felt it limit right there. Whoa. 27.5 miles an hour. Oh, I gotta watch where I'm going. I'm looking at the speedometer, not in front of me. It's crazy, these 11-inch like thicker, fatter tires, they feel like super grippy on the road. All right, so that was pedal assist 2 dual motor. Let's go to pedal assist 1 dual motor. Oh my goodness, that's slow. 13.9 miles an hour. All right, so let's go single motor. Pedal assist 3 single motor. It doesn't have as much torque in single motor as it does with dual. But all right, here we go. Pedal assist 3 single motor, top speed. All right, we'll stop it there. That was about 26.2 miles an hour on pedal assist 3 single motor. All right, now we're gonna do pedal assist 2 single motor. Just so you guys know, I am 5'11", 155 pounds. Pedal assist 2 single motor, we got 25.4 miles an hour. All right guys, pedal assist 1 single motor, top speed. Oh my God, that is slow. All right, we're gonna cut it at that, 13.4 miles an hour. I'm gonna try one more top speed run and pedal assist 3 dual motor going with the wind to see what we can get. Darn, this is freaking crazy how fast this thing picks up. It's scary. Oh yeah, we're going faster now. I hit 39. Oh my God, 41, 41. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, that's scary. That's scary. That's getting shaky. That's getting shaky. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. 41.3 miles an hour. Holy crap. Hold on, I need the, holy crap. All right, that was freaking scary going that fast. Look at that, 41.3 miles an hour. Holy crap, and now we're down to 65.2 volts on the battery. Let me know what you guys think about that run. That was crazy fun. I'm gonna go get some food because I am starving, and then we're gonna do some terrain tests and stuff and riding through the grass, all that fun stuff. All right, that guy was like in my lane. Get the, all right, anyways. Whoa, this thing's got some good freaking climbing power. Dude, get out of here. That is so much fun. I probably gonna slip through here. Ow, ow. Dude, that is so much fun. What the hell? That independent suspension rocks. Damn, that was awesome. This is crazy being able to hang with traffic right now. Of course, you guys know what I'm eating. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant. There you go. Food destroyed. All right, so we have traveled 4 miles so far on this trip, and we're down to 65.3 volts. I'm wondering how many miles we can get on this thing, dual motor, full throttle, all the way. All right, a little bit of terrain testing. Let's see what this, how this rides through the sand. Holy crap. Oh. Damn, that pulled me up there like nothing. This is definitely a gopher field, gopher hole field. So the one thing that confuses me is, why did they put the rear brake on the right hand? I would think it would be a lot easier to have the rear brake on the left. That way you can kind of have control over your throttle and one finger on the brake at all times. Because otherwise, look how we're riding. Like whenever I have to hit the brake, I got to kind of do that. So I think swapping the brakes would definitely be smart on this scooter. But so far, so good on this super fast electric scooter. I can't believe how much torque this thing has. Oh, that was awesome. The suspension feels awesome, guys. Definitely a lot more solid than the last version of this scooter. Whoa, sliding out. Whoa. It's easy to peel out on this thing. It would be cool to get some treaded tires on this scooter. So far, guys, I'm having a lot of fun with this review. If you guys are enjoying it as much as I am, definitely don't forget to drop a like. This is great. Single motor, pedal assist 3. Make it up this. Ooh, kind of struggle to get up there. All right, guys, this is definitely gonna be the test of this hill climb. This has gotta be higher than 35 degrees. All right, here we go. Pedal assist 3, dual motor. No, I can't make it up. Nope, nope, nope. See, I bet you treaded tires would definitely help out in a situation like this. All right, let's go up, let's go up. Whoa, I'm going sideways, straight up. Oh, there we go. Jeez, that's so sketchy. That is crazy, the pickup on this thing. I love this thumb throttle so much. Definitely handles off-road. Holy crap, what the hell? Get it, dude. Varla Eagle One Pro, you get it, you get it. Holy crap. Dirt riding, here we go, dirt bike. Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter dirt bike. Oh my God, oh my God. That is insane, insane. Let's see if we can ride through this like deep dirt stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, it just pulls me. Oh my God. Oh, holy crap, guys. This scooter is a blast. This scooter is a lot of fun. We're gonna do a couple runs back and forth to see what it looks like at high speeds. Oh my God. All right, every time I do this, I know I can get in trouble, but we got to do this for scooter science and you guys. Everything I do it for you. Oh, this is scary. Yeah, darn, I should have brought the drone for this one. Oh, this is sketchy. This is sketchy. This is sketchy. All right. Oh my God, you gotta hold on for dear life. This thing freaking goes so fast. Oh my God, nobody called the cops on me. Yeah, made it safe. Hey guys, having all this room on this foot pad is awesome. You definitely got a lot of room to move around. And darn, guys, this electric scooter is definitely surprising me. Darn, 38.3. And we're pretty like 39, we hit 39. Whoa, I got shaky there. Had the wobbles for a second. Darn, guys. Holy crap, we hit 39 miles an hour at 62.1 volts left on the battery. That is insanity. That was a fun review. Definitely having a blast on this scooter. I can't wait to ride it some more. We'll do some group rides with Farmer Marv. We'll also be doing a full throttle dual motor range test on this bad boy, see how many miles we get out of this. All right, we're cruising pretty fast. All right, guys, we have come to the end of this review video on the Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter. This thing is so freaking fast. I'm definitely enjoying it, definitely impressed by this thing. All right, guys, so that whole trip was 9 miles long and we were at a full charge at 67.2. So 9 miles brought us down to 62.3. Let me know what you guys think about the Varla Eagle One Pro scooter. Do you think it's for you? Do you guys think it handled well in this video? Let me know down in the comments. I was definitely impressed at the torque and the power where it got you up to speed. I kind of wish we hit 45 miles an hour, but 41 miles an hour, that's pretty fast on that scooter. And when we did get the top speed, a few times it felt a little wobbly on the front. So when you guys take this up to 40 miles an hour plus, just be careful. With the scooter weighing between 90 and 93 pounds, it's not gonna be like super portable because it is pretty heavy and hard to get into the back of your car. But I think for somebody that has maybe like a pickup truck, something where you can slide it in really quick, this is gonna be perfect for that situation. Or if you have like some kind of like hatchback car, I think that would be perfect for that too. So guys, stay tuned for the full throttle dual motor range test on this scooter, and let me know what you guys want to see me do on the scooter down in the comments. So the Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter is definitely one of the fastest scooters that I have on the channel. I'm super stoked to have this here and show you guys what this thing is capable of. And as always, if you guys want to support the channel, please check out that link down below for the Varla Eagle One Pro electric scooter. Use code SHREDDY, get $50 off your order. If Varla isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next scoot. Ow, fuck. Ooh, that shit hurt. Ah. Ow, that fucking cut my toe, didn't it? Literally ripped through my shoe, that hurt.